connection. And today we are going to be making one of my favorite healthy drinks. I told you in a prior video that I have 3 different healthy drinks. I've already posted 2, so here is the 3rd one. What we're going to start with and what this drink includes is we have raw honey. So raw honey is a little bit better for you than regular honey that you get out of the store. I got mine from the Pennsylvania Dutch market. We're going to use beets. You have to boil the beets. You want to cut them up into little squares like this, and you want to boil it. In this particular drink, you want to boil it because it's going to give it a much more smoother texture than if you put them in just raw. We're using cinnamon, and you want to be very generous with the cinnamon in here. We're using cinnamon because cinnamon is good for your blood flow. And then we're also going to add ginger. And the last thing that we're going to use is you can use any milk of your choice, but I prefer to use almond milk in this one. And I always get the one that's low in sugar and low in calories. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and add all these ingredients. These are the beets, which are boiled beets, and it makes a complete big difference. Boiled versus raw, so you want to make sure that they're boiled. We put the cinnamon, the ginger, and we're going to put the milk in here. All right, and there we have it, our finished product. And let me give this a taste here. All right, there we are. Delicious. You gotta give it a try. Thank you for watching my channel. Please click like, subscribe, and make some comments down in the comment section. Thank you.